Are you here, Langga? Why are you here with Dada? Hmm? You just want to? But you're not sleepy. Kasi ito ang Langga ay. Kasi ito ang Langga ay. You just want to hug me, but she's not sleepy. Langga, kasi ito ang Langga ay. Hi, man. Nabi Langga. Ay. You're not sleepy pa? You just want to hug me? Kasi ito ang Langga. Ito ang fix your hair, me. Itim ka ng mga Langga eh. No? Yeah, yayay? What yayay, man?
My knees, there was two blood.
Huh? Let me see. Where did you get that? Where is it? Where is it?
It's not socket on the other side.
It's
not socket on the other side.
yeah, yayay on your knees.
There's no someone.
There's no someone, man. You said still there's blood. Other side? This one?
There's no someone also.
There's no someone. There's no blood. Yes, you don't have yayay, eh? Why you look sad? Why do you look sad, man? Are you tired? You want to sleep na? But you're still full, man. I'm on tummy. You just finish your dinner.
Dada put it in the sink.
Yeah, after. I will use that one. You eat a lot of rice. You're very full. That's why you're sleepy. But don't sleep yet. Or else you're gonna have a stomach pain. Stomach ache. Kasit sa malangga. Ay, Jesse. Kasit yung Jesse. Ay, kasit sa malangga. Oh, your shirt is very small for you. See? I can see your tummy. You're big na, no? How old are you?
I'm tired.
No, how old are you? You're 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jessie.
Jessie. Glenette.
Jessie.
Tanod.
Dano.
Ah, good job. Yeah. How's your school today? Did you answer your exam?
I just do my assignment.
You have exam today.
I just help my teacher.
Help your teacher?
Yes.
You help teacher answer your assignment?
Yes.
Love you, Jessie po.
Love you, Tita Pop.
Sweet ay. Sleepy na na ay. Let's sleep.
I'm not sleeping.
Okay, good job. Love you, we. Hi. Hi. Oi, who's there? Who's there? It's her ate. Ate Poop. Nice Poop.
Dada, let's do it with a triangle.
Triangle like that.
I'm doing a square. How about a triangle?
A triangle like
Let's
that.
try a square. Not like that. A
Okay.
triangle.
Triangle. Let's see.
Dada, can we try a square? It's upside down.
My hands.
Oh, wait.
Fingers are big. Make
Wait,
them look like
it's a diamond.
It looks like a diamond, not a square.
It almost looks like... Let's try it again. How about that? How about like up? No, not like that. You go like this.
Yeah, like that.
And Jesse, you go the last one. Square!
Oh, it's a triangle. It's not a square.
Oh yeah, it's a triangle. Not triangle. How about me? You got your
Go
head.
the other one. Give the other one. Anna. Then Anna raise like that. No. This one hand each. Anna, straight. Wait, straight.
Really? I want to sit down too. And Dada. I want to sit down and Dada.
Why? Why? You eat na siya fish. Ano siya fish?
Where?
Oh, there's fish. It's okay. Away mo na ay.
But she knows it.
How about you, Naisi? How old are you?
She's
How old are you? Answer.
6.
How about Jessie?
I'm 3.
3. Good job. What's your name, Naisi?
Josie Glennis Ardanadana.
How about you, Jessie? What's your name?
I'm Josie Glennis Ardanadana.
Ah, good job, Glenn.
Jessie Glennis Tanadana.
What if you grow up now? What will you tell yourself? Jessie? They will watch it. I will upload it in YouTube, and then you will see it when you grow up. What will you say to the bigger Nicey? Hi, Nicey.
Hi.
You're very pretty. Say it. What will you say? What will you tell yourself when you grow up?
My father's upo.
Not gonna be
It's not upo.
I have a hair.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, we're pretty. I'm handsome. You're pretty.
You're
You
pretty.
cannot tell yourself na. Hi, JC. Oh, kasi ito. Yeah. Hi, Nicey. Hi, Nicey. Kaya what will you tell the bigger? How about you, Jessie? What will you tell to the bigger Jessie when she sees this? When you see this, when you grow up, what will you tell yourself?
I'm sweet.
Huh?
I'm sweet than Dada. No, you're 6. I'm 3.
Okay.
I love my baby puppy so much.
Sige, what will you tell yourself?
Don't touch the baby. I love my baby puppy so much. No.
What's your puppy? Oh,
Angel.
What's your puppy's name again?
Angel.
Angel. And what's the color of your puppy?
Black and white.
That's our puppy, not just your puppy.
How about me? It's mine.
It's our puppy. Angel. You not tell something
No.
about tell something to add to the bigger Nicey.
This is our puppy.
Nicey, are you already a teacher?
Yes. Nicey, are you ready?
A teacher?
A student? Dada.
Yeah.
Dada.
Still a student.
Dada.
Oh.
Nicey, are you still big and...
You want to be a doctor?
Oh,
Tell it, Jessie. Jessie, are you already a doctor?
Yes.
If you're a doctor, good job. Huh?
Yes.
Good job, Jessie. If you're already a doctor.
I want to act toy doctor.
Me also want a toy doctor. No, to the bigger Jessie ba? How about you to the bigger Nicey? What will you
Dada,
tell
I'm
to the
gonna be
bigger
bigger
Nicey?
and bigger and bigger. Dada, I'm gonna be bigger and bigger.
What will you tell to Teacher Nicey?
Dada,
Hi, Teacher Nicey. Oh, hi, Dr. Jessie.
Hi.
Are you doing good in your school?
Yes.
Are you studying good?
I'm just
A lot?
I'm just helping with my teacher.
Just have fun, okay?
Okay.
Just have fun, Jessie Poop and Nicey Poop. And do good in your studies. Help me tell something about yours to the bigger Nicey
I'm
and
just
bigger Jessie.
looking.
Sige na. Always love your sister.
I'm just looking
Na.
just looking.
Always love your sister Nicey and sister Jessie.
I'm just looking and then.
You have to help me say something. Say something to yourself. You will see this when you're bigger na. You will see this video.
Dada, mommy's
How
not
about what will you say to mommy?
I I love you, mommy.
How about you, Jessie? What will tell your mommy?
I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Uy, that's advanced. How about you? What will you tell to mommy? Oh, you tell like Jessie, when you grow up, always listen to your parents.
I'm a
listen to your
flower.
mother, listen to your father.
I'm the flower.
Yeah. And we love you so much. I love you too so much.
No. No.
Yeah. Hmm? Oh, very sweet, oh. Always like that, no fighting, okay? Always fight, huh? When you're bigger na, don't fight, huh? Don't you fight, Jessie and
We're
Icy, don't
fighting.
fight.
We're
No.
fighting. We're
No,
fighting.
it's love.
You're
Yeah,
fighting. We're fighting. We're
Like this, oh, love, love.
We're fighting. We're fighting.
Just hug and kiss and say I love you. Huh? Very sweet, eh? Yeah. Yeah.
So let me tell Jessie something in her ear.
So sweet. Are you teaching something bad? Are you teaching something bad?
No.
Nice, ha? Nice, ha? That's bad. You teach something bad to your sister. You should be the one. You should be the role model of your sister, Jessie. You're the ate. I'm little Jessie. Now you're big Jessie. Stop doing that. You don't do that. How about when I grow old? What will you tell to Dada when I grow old?
Dada, you're so upaw na on your way.
Not gonna be upo. Uy. I will have white hair na.
Yay.
All of my hair.
It's upaw.
When I grow old, it's gonna turn white. All of my hair.
Yes, I like that.
Want me to?
Dada, I see the blue.
Want me to get old
Dada, I see
faster?
the blue one. No.
You said you like it.
Dada, I got a baby.
Baby.
My babies.
Oh, you're fighting again.
I'm a foul. Ah, I break it. Ah!
Sit down, may ganit ka na. Okay. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy. Love you.
Bye, Nicey. Bye, bigger Nicey. Uy,
Bye, bigger Nicey.
close it. Napa si Jessie. Ayun.
Ouch.
Pa Jessie. Bye, Jessie.
Bye.
Bye, bigger Jessie.
Bye.
Bye. Ako lang. Ako lang.
Mom! No!
Ako lang. Ako lang.
No!